This is a quick repair on a 2006 Tundra when the latch comes off. Not the actual cable that you pull from the inside of the cab, but the latch when you get out here and you're supposed to pull this here latch down and it doesn't work. Mine just came completely off. And normally there would be a plastic piece that looks exactly like this. That would be on the other side of the rod, the bent rod, and it would just slide up into this hole right here. My fix is to get 10mm bolts, remove from this, remove the whole latch piece, take it to my workbench, drill a little hole in it, slide a piece of wire in through that hole, this way you don't have to spend $6 or whatever going to Napa buying some parts you don't want to spend money on. Okay, so that fixes the problem of a latch that won't release. Some videos say to remove the whole latch piece with the drill. You don't have to do that. Let me show you how to access it. Say you got a stuck latch again. You head underneath the car. In between the radiator you see a gap, and if you see right up there, that's the latch with the pole on it. Just take a long coat hanger, put a U shape in it, reach up in there, with your coat hanger. It's hard to do holding a phone. And once you get that latch, you can just pull down on it and open up the hood without even having that metal piece intact. So hope this helps, and hope you don't have to buy any more parts that you don't need.